Hi, my name is Mike Barth. I work for Assimilate, an IBM business partner here in the UK, and I'm going to spend a few minutes just to talk to you about MotioCI. With MotioCI, you can easily version all of your BI content as well as track who's modifying what in your Cognos environment, so you can identify who has made certain changes. One key benefit is the ability to restore deleted content. Something as an administrator you will realize actually takes a lot of time and is quite a fairly complex process. It's very achievable, easily achievable, I should say, in MotioCI with just a few simple clicks. So here's an example. I'm going to log into my Cognos connection. And I'm going to navigate to my folders, navigate to my reports, and here you'll see two reports, my pension plan and my TOC report. In this example, I'm just going to delete my TOC report, get the standard message, click OK, and that report has now been deleted. And as an end user, it's actually impossible to retrieve that report from within the Cognos connection environment. However, as I'm a MotioCI MotioCI administrator, I can log into the solution and having logged into MotioCI, I'll be presented with a list of all of the content that's been versioned within the Cognos Development Server instance. So if I navigate now down to down to my accounts, down to my folders, down to my reports, you see I only have the pension plan because I deleted the TOC report. However, it's still there, it's just that we can't see it. So if I click on Show Hidden, you'll see that I have a report which has got an X against it, my TOC report. If I click on my TOC report, I get presented with all of the previous versions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to revert to the last working version, which was version 8. So I'm going to click on Revert. It'll then present me with a tree of all of the content that I can actually revert alongside the TOC report. In this case, I'll only revert the TOC report. I'm going to click on Continue. Run that. I could also schedule the report. Sorry, I could schedule the restore, but I'm actually just going to run it right now. You see the process is now running as the status of running. And now that report has been restored. So if I go back to my folders and just do a refresh, you'll see here that my TOC report is now back into my folder, and I can continue to run and modify the report as if I had never deleted it in the first place. So thanks for taking the time to listen to this short recording. If you've got any questions about MotioCI, please don't hesitate to contact me on my email, m.barth@assimilate.com. Thank you very much for listening. Bye-bye.